holiday season is truly the best time of year. While this year may look a little different, that doesn't mean we can't find ways to make it special and memorable. There's no question that one of the most memorable aspects of the holiday season is the traditional food. My family always serves a delicious turkey, homemade rolls, mashed potatoes and gravy, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and one of my favorite dishes, the sweet potatoes. Growing up, we were one of those families who always served the toasted marshmallows on top of sweet potatoes, but in recent years, I've been making my older sister's sweet potato souffle recipe for our holiday meals, and it has quickly become a favorite. So with the holidays fast approaching, I thought it appropriate to share the recipe with you so that you can add something new and fun to your favorite holiday meals. For this dish, you'll need 3 large sweet potatoes baked until soft. I like to wrap mine in tin foil and bake at 350 for about an hour, but each sweet potato is different. Once they've cooled, the skin should peel off easily. Then chop them up a bit, place them in a bowl, and mash them. This year I decided to use my stand mixer to do the mashing, and while it was messy, it definitely made the job easier. Next you'll need to add 3/4 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of melted butter, and half a cup of whole milk. You could always try substituting with vegan butter and oat milk if you're looking for a dairy-free option. Once it's well mixed, scoop the sweet potato mixture into a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish and set aside. Next is the topping, which is what truly makes this dish delicious. In a bowl, stir together 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, and 1 cup of chopped pecans, which you can skip or substitute if you have an allergy. Next, add 2/3 cups of melted butter, mix well, and place on top of your souffle. I normally bake my sweet potato souffle in an 8-inch round dish, but since I opted for a larger dish this time, I decided to double my topping recipe, and I'm glad I did. Once your topping is added, bake the souffle at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes until the topping has browned a little. Be sure to time your bake well so you can serve this new version of the classic sweet potato side while it's hot. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and enjoyed today's video, I'd love if you stuck around and subscribed. And if you decide to give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know.